Ready to supercharge your Kvcore website and send seller leads exactly where you want them to go. Let's jump right into redirecting your sell page on Kvcore. First, log into your Kvcore account and navigate to the Website Manager section, typically found on the left-hand side of your dashboard. Once you're in the Website Manager, locate the Edit Settings button. It's usually near your domain name or website settings summary. Click on Edit Settings to access your website's configuration options. Scroll down until you find the Custom URL Redirects section. This is where the magic happens. In the Redirect From field, type in the URL of your current sell page. This is typically your domain sell. Now, in the Redirect To field, enter the complete URL of the page you want visitors to be redirected to when they try to access your sell page. This could be a dedicated seller landing page, a lead capture form, or any other page designed to convert leads. Click the Add Redirect button. You should now see your newly created redirect listed in the table below, confirming that it's active. That's it. Now, when someone visits your sell page, they'll be automatically redirected to your chosen destination, ensuring you capture those valuable seller leads effectively and enhancing your conversion rates. Go get those leads.